Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, Standard 5? I hope you all are good. I'm your science teacher, Miss Ushna. Let's start our online class. Do you know students, हमारा final term almost complete हो चुका है. इस वीडियो में हम अपना remaining work complete करेंगे. Let's start. Unit number 3, the nervous system. Choose the best answers. Unit number 3, the nervous system के चूज द बेस्ट आंसर के कुछ बच्चों ने पेजेस छोड़े हुए हैं और किस बच्चों ने पेजेस नहीं छोड़े हुए. तो जिन बच्चों ने पेजेस नहीं छोड़े हुए वो सब काम करने के बाद लास्ट में यूनिट मेंशन करके चूज द बेस्ट आंसर करेंगे. लेट्स सी. डैश इज द मेन बॉडी पार्ट ऑफ द नर्वस सिस्टम. ब्रेन, आई. द आंसर इज brain. Number 2 is the another major part of the nervous system is called dash. Neuron, spinal cord. The answer is spinal cord. Number 3 is a major function of the nervous system is to control dash. Voluntary action, involuntary action. The answer is voluntary action. Number 4 is there are dash sense organ. 6, 5. The answer is 5. Number 5 is the spinal cord consists of dash major region. 2, 5. The answer is 5. Choose the best answer complete with. Let's come forward to our next unit. Unit number 5. What are forces? Dear students, इसके हमने वर्सनिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कंप्लीट कर लिया था. इसका रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 था जो कि आज हम इस वीडियो में करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट इज ग्रेविटी? ग्रेविटी, एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट इन द यूनिवर्स exerts a pull or every other object is called gravity. Question number 4, what is difference between electric and magnetic forces? इसमें आपने डिस्टिंग्विश करके बताना है, मीन्स का डिफरेंस बिटवीन करना है इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्सेस एंड मैग्नेटिक फोर्सेस का. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्सेस. इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्सेस एक्ट बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट आर इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज्ड. नंबर 2 पॉइंट इज oppositely charged objects are attracted to each other and they tend to move toward each other. Magnetic forces. Number 1 point is magnets pull objects made of metals like iron, steel, cobalt, nickel strongly toward them. Number 2 point is a magnet's force is greatest at the poles and decreases toward the center. Let's come forward to our short note. Short note on brain. Brain means dimag. Human brain, the most valuable creation of God. The man is called intelligent because of the brain. The brain is the control center of the nervous system. The human brain is by far the most complex and highly organized structure of the body. This organ allows us to think, move, feel, see, hear, taste, and smell. It controls our body, receives, analyzes, and stores information. The brain produces electrical signals which together with chemical reactions. That's the part of the body communicates. Nerves send this signals throughout the body. The brain is divided in 3 major parts. Number 1 is forebrain. Number 2 is midbrain. Number 3 is hindbrain. The forebrain is consist of 3 parts: cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. And the hindbrain consists of 3 units: medulla oblongata, pons, and cerebellum. This short note is completed and our final term has been completed. So students, all work, write down in your fair copy. Take yourself, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.